Ready to turn your TikTok scroll time into real income? Today, I'm showing you exactly how to create your TikTok Shop affiliate account in just a few simple steps. First, you need to meet the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, have a TikTok account that's at least 30 days old, have at least 50 followers, and have posted at least 5 videos in the last 30 days. Open the TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then, look for the 3 lines or the menu button in the top right corner and tap it. From the menu, select Creator Tools. This is where you'll find all the features designed to help you grow and monetize your account. Inside Creator Tools, you should see an option for TikTok Shop Affiliate. Tap on it if you don't see it immediately. Look for a More section or ensure you meet the requirements we just mentioned. Next, you'll land on the TikTok Shop Affiliate Center here. You'll see an Apply button. Go ahead and tap it to start your application. You'll now be prompted to read and agree to the TikTok Shop Affiliate Agreement. It's crucial to understand the rules, so take a moment to review the terms before checking the box and proceeding. Once you agree, submit your application. The approval is usually instant if you meet all the criteria, and just like that, you're in. You now have access to the affiliate dashboard. Your new hub is the affiliate dashboard here. You can browse thousands of products, get your unique affiliate links, and start creating videos to earn commissions on every sale you drive. Start by promoting products you genuinely love to your audience. Create engaging video content, use your affiliate link, and watch your influence start paying off.